So God said to Aaron, hear this. I don't want you to die like your sons. Praise the name of the Lord. So when you come there, praise the name of the Lord. First remove your clothes of respect. Those ones that people know that you are the priest. Yes, you're coming there as the high priest. Praise the name of the Lord. But when you come in the Holy of Holies, you are no longer sincere here. Everything that we think we are must be removed when we are and we must bathe. Praise the name of the Lord. We cannot approach the Holy of Holies before we bathe. Praise the name of the Lord. It doesn't matter whether we bathe when we left our home. But we must first bathe when we come to the Holy of Holies. Praise the name of the Lord. That is why whenever we come to this house, we start with devotion. Praise the name of the Lord. The purpose of devotion is sanctifying yourself. Praise the name of the Lord. It is to prepare your heart so that you can come to the Holy of Holies. Praise the name of the Lord. Because it is important that you may be prepared to enter the Holy of Holies. Praise the name of the Lord. When you come to the Holy of Holies, you cannot come to the Holy of Holies the way you are dressed when you left your house. Praise the name of the Lord. You need to change so that you can be able to approach the Holy of Holies. And you will leave.